Hey, what's up everybody? Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen here. We're under quarantine just like anybody else. We're going to do things a little bit differently today. Because of this quarantine, I'm able to take advantage of Amazon and a few other companies that have contacted me and sent me their products. So I'm going to do an unveiling today. We're going to take a look at a couple mixers that a company sent me and see how they taste. So it's good that they list glass right on there, so it's handled with care. We open this bad boy up. You can see we got a tied package. Got a Coos from Tito's. We can get one of these out, take a look at it. Okay, this company's Lava, and they sent a spicy jalapeno margarita mix. Sounds interesting. Again, it's Lava, and this is a grapefruit cocktail mix. So these are the two that we're looking at today, and this is what we're going to be trying. Let's go ahead and get these bad boys cut open real quick. Of course I didn't get that one. There's the ruby red grapefruit cocktail mix. Spicy jalapeno margarita mix. So here's the spicy jalapeno margarita mix. It looks like the instructions are fairly clear. 4 parts lava, 1.5 parts tequila, shake well, rim glass with lime juice and tahini, and pour drink into glass filled with ice. No problem. Now here we've got the ruby grapefruit cocktail mix. Directions are 4 parts lava ruby grapefruit cocktail, 1 part vodka or gin, shake well, pour drink in a glass filled with ice. Big surprise. So we got that ready to go. Now they recommend rimming the glass with lime and tahini, but we're going to use chamoy. Woo. And the tahini.
And something like this is perfect. Now we'll add some ice to the glass. Maybe not that one. Makes it imperfect. But here's our shaker, and we'll add some ice to that as well. Now add 4 parts of our spicy jalapeno margarita mix, followed by your favorite tequila, Senor. Add the shaker lid, and give it a good shake. Music to my ears. Now just go ahead and pop the top, give it a good pour. How's that for just eyeballing the amounts? Perfect. Now let's get going on our other glass. Again, we're going to need some ice. And some for the shaker as well. 4 parts grapefruit cocktail mixer. And again, they recommended vodka or gin. Can you tell what I'm using? Once again with the lid, and we'll give this another good shake. Now we'll just pour that right over the rocks. If you like this video, Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.
All right, pretty good deal here. Got the spicy jalapeno margarita mix and the grapefruit cocktail mix here. Using the gin, using the tequila. Let's try it out. Woo! I think using that chamoy gives it a little more kick. There's definitely some spice from that jalapeno. And I'm a big margarita fan. I like them every which way. It's one of my favorite drinks, actually. I love tequila, that's why. But this, I can still feel the heat on my tongue. Not sure if that's from the chamoy or the lava mix. Now I kind of feel like maybe I shouldn't use the chamoy, but I think it tastes great. And that's how I like them on the rocks too, not blended. I think it's a winner. Now this one, again, the grapefruit. I believe in mixing the gin with the grapefruit instead of the vodka. Just personal preference. I used to drink it that way with a friend of mine years ago. And that's smooth too. You know, it doesn't have the kick and spice like this does, which of course it's not supposed to, but I think my wife would like that quite a bit. She loves grapefruit juice, and I'm a fan of it too, but I think it's pretty good. I think next time I'd probably rim the glass with sugar. So there you have it. Got two mixers here from Lava, right here in the Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen. Thank you for watching, and be sure to stop by PoorMansGourmetKitchen.com for more recipes and exact ingredients.